MTD CNC are in Kenilworth today. We're at Whitehouse Machine Tools. Mike, you are fairly new to this company, aren't you? Tell us a little bit about your position.
Okay, so I'm Business Development Manager for the Northern regions, and we're out selling the machines.
Good stuff. Now, this is a special offer we're going to be talking about today. The Wele product has been sold by Whitehouse now for, I'd say, almost about a year, isn't it?
Around about a year, and we've had quite a good entry with the machine. We've been focusing on the C-frame style machines, great popularity. We've got linear rail, box guideway type machines, gearbox driven spindles, and this 5-axis machine.
So give us the lowdown on this machine then, because this is on special offer on MTD CNC. I want to know about the makeup of this model.
Okay, so this is based on a C-frame style machine. It's a Trunnion style 5-axis, it's 4+1. We're running on a 12,000 RPM spindle. It's big plus taper, so we've got face and taper contact. 20 bar coolant through the spindle.
And what about the competition in this area, and how does this machine fare amongst others? Because it is a pretty congested market, isn't it, for 5-axis machines?
I think it is a congested market, but each company brings their own spin on the things. So this machine is incredibly well built. The casting on it is huge. It's based on an existing C-frame style VMC, so the build quality is there, the weight of it. And with 5-axis, there's a tremendous amount of physics when we're tilting and rotating components. So having that build quality is imperative.
You're operating here or running on a FANUC system. In the UK, this is a pretty popular control, isn't it? Does that give you an advantage as well?
I think it lends itself nicely to people that are dipping the toe into 5-axis market. People that are familiar with FANUC already, to add the 2 additional rotary axes on there, it's a walk in the park. People can be doing 5-axis prismatic parts. Very little training.
It's here in stock and you are running a demo, so engineers can come here and see the machine in action if they choose?
Absolutely, and we always encourage that. We've never been fond of brochure sales. Come and see the machine, feel it, see what it's built of.
I looked inside here earlier, and I know we'll put some shots over the top as well. The swarf extraction, you've got augers either side, you've also got flood wash coolant around the extremities of the machine as well, haven't you?
That's right, so we've got twin Y-axis swarf augers, scraper style side exit conveyor, ultra clean tank with filtration, oil skimmer, spindle cool. This machine has not only got the big plus spindle, face and taper contact, we've also got hydraulic clamping on both the rotary axes. So again, as we're tilting through various planes, we can still take a cut with sensible cutters.
Tools on this?
40 tools.
40 tools, okay, available here from stock at Whitehouse Machine Tools and on special offer. You can see more detail on this machine on MTD CNC. Thank you very much, Mike.
Welcome, thank you.